Hello everyone. Hope you are all safe and sound. Our topic of today is entirely new to you and it will help you to boost your writing skill while looking at a picture. Looking at a picture, how is that possible? Yes, it is possible and very easy too. While looking at a picture, we will make few sentences. This mode of writing is called picture composition. Now, what does it mean by the term of picture composition? It means framing sentences by looking at a given picture or a set of pictures. Again, I am telling framing sentences by looking at a given picture or a set of pictures. So today's topic is picture composition. But before starting a new topic, we have to follow few important rules that are required to learn picture composition better. Now let us find what are those rules. First rule is to observe. When we are given when you are given a picture, you have to observe carefully. So when you are given a picture, you have to observe carefully. You have to see each and every details properly and carefully. So our first rule is to observe. When you are given a picture, you have to observe carefully. Now our second point, that is our second rule. And what is that? That is identify. You have to point out what elements and things are there and identify each of them properly. So, our second point is identify. After observing the picture, you have to identify the picture. What is the picture is telling about? So, you have to identify each of the elements of the picture properly. Now, our third rule is frame sentences. After identifying whatever is there in the picture, you have to frame sentences regarding that picture. So, this is very important stage. In this stage, you have to take the initiative to make the sentences. So, you have to first observe the thing, then identify it, and then you need to frame sentences. Now, our fourth rule, and this is also very important. So, our fourth rule is checking the errors. You have to check that you are having any errors, any mistakes or not in the above sentences that you have made, because you don't want that your errors is to be seen by everyone. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to check the mistakes, you have to check the errors on the above sentences before submitting or before finishing. So these are your four rules of make picture composition or making the compositions. Now I am repeating again. Okay, so take a little bit time with me and repeat after me. The first one is observe. The second one is identify. Third one is framing sentences. And the fourth one is checking errors. Observe, identify, framing sentences, checking errors. These are four rules that you have to follow while writing picture composition. As this is our first attempt, today we are going to attempt this first time, so we will start with single pictures. Remember, I have told you earlier before starting the video that picture composition can consist either single pictures or a set of pictures. So, this is our first attempt. We are learning it first time. So, for the first time, for the beginners, we will start with single sentences. Okay, so let's see which picture is waiting for us today. Okay, so see, this is our new topic, that is my favorite fruit, orange. So we have to write some lines regarding the fruit orange. First, we have to identify the picture. Which picture is it? Yes, that is the picture of an orange. So this is our identification. So our first part is over. We have identified. Now we will, so we have observed it, we have identified it, the two parts of our picture composition rules are over. Now we have to frame sentences. Yes, but today I will not teach you how to frame sentences. It will do by us later. That means the other day. So we have to frame some sentences, but we will do it on some other day. Till then, you watch the picture and you will think what type of sentences you can form from it. Okay, how you can form some sentences. See it, observe it, and try it. I know you can do it. Okay? Okay, so till then, take care. Goodbye. We will meet again. Okay, children? See you soon.